Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have faced any problem on Snapchat and you want to contact their support team in order for them to solve it for you, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you contact Snapchat support team. So follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. Now before everything, you need to get something out of the way. Open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. From there, go ahead and search for Snapchat. And of course, you're going to find it right here. Go ahead and open it from there and make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can quit the store. Let's head out now to Snapchat. As you can see, in Snapchat, you have to be logged into your account. Now, from your account, you need to open your profile. So tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner right here. From profile, you need to head out to settings. So tap on the gear icon in the top right corner right there. And from here, all you need to do is to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. And then from the button right here, go ahead and scroll up until you find this I need help category. Go ahead and tap on it. Wait for a couple of seconds. You'll find a lot of problems organized in categories in order for them to provide help for you in an easy way. If you want to directly contact their support team, just tap on Contact Us right here. And you need to kind of filter out the type of problem you have. I'm just gonna choose random choices and options right here, but you can choose the ones of the problem that you're facing. Now from here, you can scroll down and you always find this still need help. Always tap on yes. And right here, you can type in your username, email, and of course, write your description of your problem and then tap on Submit. And they will get back to you with a solution in 24 to 48 hours. And that is basically, guys, how can you contact Snapchat support. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.